Huh. Beautiful red burgundy okra. Look how big that is. It's time to harvest a few things. Man, that sun is killing my eyes. Time to harvest a few things in our backyard garden. Everything's not necessarily ready. Some of it I just want to harvest because we're about to eat it. So, starting with a few of these onions. I'm gonna probably take this little fella right here and this bigger fella right here. Should I take that third one? I'll let them sit for a minute. So we'll grab us 2 red onions out of there right quick. What else we got? Take a couple of these okra because they're getting kind of big on me. This one in particular. Huh. Beautiful red burgundy okra. Look how big that is. And my hands are not small. That is a huge okra right there. All right. Any more of those? I'll grab that one there. Probably grab these 2 here. Snip and clip and done. Look at that. Ay. All right, moving on. So we'll toss that back there. Oh, just look at them beautiful watermelons. I had to stop and let you look at them. I had to. I just had to. All right, moving on. I'm gonna grab some of these peppers. I don't like the way this one looks, so it needs to come off anyway. And this one. And I'll probably take you. And you. And you. I got so many of these yellow peppers that we don't even know what to do with them anymore, but that's okay. Throw those over there. Go ahead and grab this one off. Let this plant put its energy into something else because I don't like how that one looks. These 2 right here, I'm kind of experimenting with them, so I'm gonna leave them on actually, but we're gonna take some of these others off. So I got one here, one here, one here, and one here. All right, put those down for a minute. And ladies and gentlemen, we have the first Corno di Toro Rosso pepper. I don't know if I should cut it yet though. It doesn't look like it's getting much bigger. Nah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna leave it. Oh, I wanna cut it though. I wanna cut it, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Is there anything back here? I'm gonna leave those tomatoes. So follow me. Don't fall, because it's gonna get bumpy. Step here, step here. The joys of cramming your backyard garden full of food. All right. So we got 1 tomato back here. I think I want to take off. So I don't know actually. Never mind. Nope, not taking that off. So I got one back there. I know I want to take off. Back there. Plow, the first brandy wine of the year, ladies and gentlemen. Could have went a little longer, but I want it to ripen in the house. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off too. And I think that's it. So, yep, that's it. So stay tuned. As you can see, watermelon coming soon. Plenty more to come.